Pjai Pjai 1100 and Pjai 1100F series. Powered by NVIDIA 𝗧𝗵𝗲 compact AI systems built for intelligent automation at the industrial edge. From fanless design to ultra-high AI performance, Pjai series redefines efficiency. Pjai 1100 delivers up to 100 TOPS of AI inference with NVIDIA 𝗧𝗵𝗲 NX or Orin Nano Super mode. Designed for fanless, silent operation in tight industrial spaces, Pjai 1100F enhanced with NVIDIA 𝗧𝗵𝗲 NX Super mode and an active fan module pushes performance up to 157 TOPS. Maintaining stability even at 60 degrees Celsius. With LPDDR5 memory, SSD, and M.2 expansion for 5G and Wi-Fi, Pjai series ensures unmatched speed and connectivity. Dual gigabit LAN, multiple USB 3.2 ports, COM ports, and CAN bus interfaces deliver seamless integration across AI-driven environments. From smart retail and agriculture automation to intelligent surveillance, Pjai 1100 and Pjai 1100F series brings edge AI power to real-world innovation. For more solutions, contact Pjai.